Hi everyone, my name's Jason Roberts and welcome to my course .NET Unit Testing with AutoFixture. I'm a freelance developer and author. Test code can quickly become hard to read and hard to maintain. Sometimes a simple change in the production code can suddenly mean a whole lot of additional work is needed just to make the existing tests compile. In this course, we're going to learn how to make unit testing easier with the free open source AutoFixture library. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include how to simplify the arrange phase of your tests, how to generate anonymous test data, how to customize anonymous object creation, and how to increase productivity by needing to write fewer lines of test code in the first place. By the end of this course, you'll know how to use AutoFixture to write better, more maintainable, and more readable test code. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with the basics of unit testing and C#. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn AutoFixture with the .NET Unit Testing with AutoFixture course at Pluralsight.